In this video, I will show you how to use this plugin for WordPress, which will help you to take your users from the WordPress website, the subscribers and everyone who registered on your website with an email. So you can take all their emails and you can create, for example, a mailing list or just a table like this with all the data inside. So of course you have to use a WordPress website. In this case, I will show you one of my sites, which is iDesign Wiki. And if you're interested, this is our website, which is based on design. So you will find all the styles, all the masters, and so on. And I have a lot of subscribers for this blog, for this wiki. So first of all, I have to get inside here. And of course, I will not show you the subscribers, but I just want to show you how to use the tool. So now I am inside the dashboard, inside the backend of my website, iDesign.wiki. And here I can go to users, and I can check all my users and all the hierarchy for authors, editors, subscribers, and so on. So what I want to do now is I want to export everything. And I need this plugin here. So I will just, this is the official website. And it's on wordpress.org. But since I already have WordPress installed, and well, actually I don't have it installed, I have it directly online, so I don't need to download the plugin. I will just go here to the plugins page, and I will go to add new, and just wait a little bit. Okay, and then I want to search that plugin. So I will paste these words here: import and export users and customers. And so you have also other tools here that you can use, but this is the most popular, probably. Well, you have other options. I believe that they all work in similar ways. So in this case, I want to use this one. And so I have to install it. Install. Just wait a few seconds because this will not take long. There you go. Then I have to click here again to activate it. And once it's activated, there you go, it's inside and I can use it. So to do that, well, let's go to tools, I believe. And there you go, you find the plugin here, import and export users and customers. So I'll click here. All right, and this is a whole page that you can set, but most of that, yeah, is in English. Something is in Italian because I am Italian, so something is translated. Well, I don't want to go to show everything here. Just want to go to export, and you can select which role you want to export. And in this case, I want to export all roles, and I can set an interval of years, and well, let's say I want to export everything from 2015 till today. Okay, and here you can choose how you can divide the information, and I believe that I will use the comma for this. And of course you can personalize everything. And this is it. You just, well, let's also put this in alphabetical order. And now I just click on download. And it should ask me where to get this. There you go. It's already started. It's in the download folder. And it's readable with Excel or other application that read this type of file, which is CSV. And also I can import this back. So if I want to import it, So I want to go the opposite way. I go to import, select the file, and select a CSV file. And this is it. So pretty simple. You will have your mailing list, so whatever information you need. You will have your database of your users here on your computer, and you can use it however you like. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and see you in the next video.